Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Toppin Filter Replacement Ef-s is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your Toppin air purifier, ensuring that the air you breathe remains clean and free from allergens, dust, and other airborne pollutants. This crucial part works tirelessly to capture microscopic particles, making its regular replacement a non-negotiable aspect of effective air purification. Investing in genuine Toppin replacement filters guarantees compatibility and the highest standard of filtration, directly impacting the health and comfort of your living or working environment. Number 5. KEEPOW TPAP002 HEPA Filter Replacement, 2-pack. Ensure your air purifier is always working at its best. These filters are designed to be compatible with specific models, guaranteeing a perfect fit. Breathe easier with our advanced filtration system. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, cooking odors, and other large particles for cleaner air. For optimal air quality, we recommend replacing these filters every 3 to 6 months. This simple step keeps your device running efficiently. This package includes 2 replacement filters, providing you with a convenient supply. You'll have a fresh filter ready when it's time for a change. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This filter offers a robust 4-in-1 filtration system, including H13 True HEPA, to capture 99.97% of airborne particles. If you're looking for comprehensive air purification to tackle dust, pet dander, and odors, this is a solid choice. It comes in a convenient 2-pack, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining clean air. What people say. The filter works great and is easy to install. This filter is a perfect fit for my Toppin air purifier and it does a good job of filtering the air. Number 4. Toppin TPAP002 HEPA Filter Replacement, 2-pack. Ensure your air purifier is always working at its best with a filter designed exclusively for the Toppin TPAP002 Comfy Air C1. Please verify your model before purchasing. Experience cleaner air with our 4-in-1 filter, featuring a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA, and activated carbon. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, eliminating dust, dander, and odors. Our replacement filter uses advanced technology for superior filtration with lower energy consumption. Enjoy excellent performance and a longer lifespan for your device. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the filter every 3 to 6 months, depending on your environment. Swapping it out is quick, easy, and requires no tools. This package includes 2 filters, offering a cost-effective solution compared to other options on the market. Keep your air pure without breaking the bank. We are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts. If you encounter any issues with quality or compatibility, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Featuring a 4-stage filtration system with H13 grade True HEPA, this replacement ensures superior air quality by trapping even the finest particles. If you prioritize advanced filtration technology and energy efficiency for your air purifier, this option stands out. Its design aims for higher efficiency with less energy consumption, offering excellent performance and a longer service life. What people say. The Toppin Filter Replacement Ef-s is a genuine replacement filter for the Toppin TPAP001 air purifier. It is designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. Number 3. Toppin Ef-s Element Filter Cartridge Value Pack. Introducing the Toppin Ef-s Element Filter Cartridge Value Pack. This pack provides a 12-month supply for your aquarium's filtration needs. It features activated carbon to effectively remove impurities. This includes heavy metals, unpleasant odors, pigments, and organic waste from your water. These cartridges are designed as a direct refill for Toppin BETTAFLO BETTAFLO filters. They are also suitable for desktop aquariums that use element filters. This value pack includes 12 individual cartridges. You'll have plenty of replacements to keep your aquarium clean and healthy for a full year. Each cartridge measures 2.1 inches by 3.7 inches, ensuring a perfect fit within your filter system. The material is high-quality carbon for superior filtration. What we like. This value pack provides a 12-month supply of filters infused with activated carbon, designed to tackle heavy metals, odors, and organic waste. If you're seeking a long-term, hassle-free solution for maintaining aquarium water quality and removing unpleasant smells, this is an excellent pick. It's specifically designed for Toppin Ef-s BETTAFLO filter and desktop aquariums. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Toppin Ef-s air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and other allergens, improving air quality. Easy to install and replace, maintaining optimal performance of the air purifier. Number 2. Marina T100 Top Replacement Filter Cartridge, 3-pack. Introducing the Marina T100 Top Replacement Filter Cartridge, a 3-pack designed for optimal aquarium care. Keep your aquatic environment pristine with these essential filters. These cartridges are specifically designed for all Marina 3.7L, 1 US gal, aquariums. This includes popular kits like the Marina Pirate and Marina Mermaid aquarium kits. Experience superior filtration with our advanced combination of carbon and zeolite. This powerful blend ensures your aquarium water is consistently clean and clear. Say goodbye to unwanted pollutants and odors. The chemical filter media effectively removes impurities, maintaining a fresh and healthy atmosphere for your fish. Achieve crystal clear water that enhances the beauty of your aquarium. These filters promote a healthy environment, ensuring your fish thrive with improved water clarity and color. What we like. Equipped with a combination of carbon and zeolite, these cartridges offer efficient filtration to keep your aquarium water clean and healthy. If you have a small aquarium, like the Marina 3.7L models, and want to ensure clear, pollutant-free water for your fish, this 3-pack is a practical choice. It effectively removes pollutants and odors, contributing to a vibrant aquatic environment. What people say. The Toppin Filter Replacement Ef-s is a direct fit for the Toppin TPAP006 air purifier. This filter effectively captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, improving air quality. The filter is easy to install and replace, requiring no special tools. Number 1. HiTauing Ef-s Filter Cartridges for BF5 BETTAFLO. These filter cartridges are specifically designed for BF5 BETTAFLO filters and desktop aquariums. Keep your aquarium water healthy and clean with these perfectly sized replacements. Our 3-layer filter cotton effectively removes and absorbs 99% of impurities. This ensures a clean water source for the healthy growth of your fish. For optimal water quality, we recommend replacing the filter cotton every 2 to 4 weeks. This ensures your aquarium remains a healthy environment. Replacing the filter is simple. Just rinse the new cartridge under cool water and insert it into the filter chamber. It's that easy to maintain your fish's health and safety. We pride ourselves on producing high-quality filter cartridges. Our products undergo strict quality control for compatibility and performance. Contact us with any questions. What we like. With a 3-layer filtering effect combining cotton and carbon, these cartridges are designed to capture 99% of debris, keeping your water source clean and supporting fish health. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install filter solution for your BETTAFLO or Ef-s Element aquariums, this 8-pack offers excellent filtration performance. They are designed for frequent replacement, every 2 to 4 weeks, to ensure optimal water conditions. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Toppin Ef-s air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and other allergens, improving air quality. Easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous operation of the air purifier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.